Alright guys, it's your boy Carlo and we are back with another video today. So in front of us today we have some military 4's from 2006, and as we can see these shoes need a lot of restoring. The uppers are quite dirty. If we move over to the side here, we can see that the wing is damaged, it is cracked. And we can also see that the yellowing is pretty bad on the side as well as on the Jumpman. We can also see that there is some midsole cracking, so that requires some repainting, and we can see that the creasing is pretty bad too on the side. I got these for a steal price of 60 Canadian, which is around, I would say, $40 US, which is pretty good. So yeah, let's get started by giving the shoe an overall clean. So we can now see that the uppers are fully cleaned, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna uncrease the toe boxes using the ironing method. So I'll catch you guys when that's done. So after one session of ironing, we can see that there is already barely any creasing except for this one here. So I'm just gonna try to get rid of that really quickly. After that uncreasing, we can still see that one crease is still there, but overall it's pretty good. We are now gonna give these a midsole repaint. So as we can see in the midsole, it is cracking, chipping on the other side, and yeah, let's get started. Before we get started with the painting, I put cardboard under just in case if the paint were to bleed or anything, it would go onto the cardboard, not the table. Also, to remove the paint, use nail polish remover or acetone. Make sure that dries first, and always tape the shoe. Always tape the upper so that the paint doesn't get on it. So yeah, let's get started. The shoes have now been taped up, and now what we're going to do is use some acetone to remove the paint. So my camera died out of nowhere while painting the blue part, and I didn't know, so I finished painting the blue parts of both shoes, and I have none of that footage. However, I still have to paint the white part, so let's just go straight to that. So here's the finished product of the midsole. I used some Angelus white paint. I removed all the paint using some acetone and Q-tips. It took quite a while, but you know, it's worth it because now the shoe midsoles look pretty good. Here's the other one, and same results. So yeah, and the blue part is Angelus military blue paint, if anyone is wondering. So let's go on to re-gluing the wing now. So now that we finished painting the midsole, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna deoxidize these shoes. But before we do that, we need to glue this wing. So I'm gonna use some super glue. Alright, so in order to deoxidize the shoes, what I did was I used some 4D cream and I put on the soles, left it outside in the sun for around 20 minutes, and this is the result. Now for the wing, I tried it for 30 minutes but nothing really happened. I tried doing some research but I couldn't find anything. So I guess I have to leave the wings as it is, which honestly sucks.
I'm
Alright guys, so that's basically my Jordan 4 military blue restoration. So what we did was we gave the midsole a full repaint, we removed all the stains on the toe box, we even uncreased the toe box, we removed all the stains from the suede, we unyellowed the midsole, and overall it was a pretty good project. So yeah. So I really enjoyed doing this, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys in the next one.